Hello and welcome. I am Nitesh Pradhan from LabVIEW and Multisim. It is seventh video of our LabVIEW tutorial series, and today we are going to discuss about the string data type. So let's start our today's session. So string is a sequence of displayable or non-displayable ASCII characters. String provides a platform independent format for information and data. Using the string, you can write any information, you can write message, you can give the label to any your object. Using the string, you can write your command, you can write your comment. So string is a ASCII data types. String is a sequential displayable arrangement of your characters in your keyboard from capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, 1 to 0, and other our alphanumeric characters. All these are the characters, and these characters create a string. Okay, we arrange our characters to write something, and when we do this arrangement, we call that arrangement as a string. So string is a concatenated representation or placement of characters. In a string, we use that Pascal. Okay, we use that C. Yes, we use the C and Pascal style string in LabVIEW platform. So let's start. When you will right click on the front panel, you will get string and path control palette. So there is only two things: string and string indicators. String control and indicators. You will get string control and string indicator. For the string, there is no different and there is no other controls and indicators are available. Yes, if you use the NXG style, so also you will get one string control and one string indicator. So the white background one is the string control, and this gray background one is the string indicator. When you will take string control and indicator, so automatically one string control terminal and one string indicator terminal will appear on the block diagram. You can directly click and connect the string control and indicator, and here you will find the color of string control and indicator, and the wire is pink, means pink color represent string data type. If you want to write something, so suppose hello world. If I want to write hello world, and when I will press the run button, so it will display my hello world value at the same time. Suppose you want to write some long information, suppose you want to write some long information, so you can write long information, you can increase the size as you want. Either you can right click and you can open the vertical scroller. By using this, you can scroll your string. Either you can increase the size like this. If you want, so you can increase the size. If you don't want to increase the size, so you can put, you can enable your scroller for. Okay, and it will work same for the indicator also. You can use the vertical scroll bar, and you can use this scroll bar for control and indicator both. Here you can see, here you can see string. Below the string, LabVIEW supports C and Pascal style string, list of string. Whatever I have written here, these are these are a string. Okay, These all are string. These is, it is a string, it is a string, it is a string. These all are string. But independently, L is a character, small a is a character, small b is a character, small v is a sorry, capital V is a character. Individually, each and every objects, each and every letters are characters. We place the characters in a productive manner to write some informations, and we create a string. Suppose if I will write anything, so also it is a string. Suppose if I will write, so also it is a string, but along with the string it is a characters. Now here I am going to delete. You can easily remove all the string from your control palette and indicators. If you want, so you can run. Here there is one property which I am going to explain. Right click, update value while typing. Update value while typing. Here I am going to enable update value while typing. Okay. So now when I will, after this, whatever I will type, it will update all those things on the indicator. But for that, okay. Now let's go to the another example, another concept. Right click on the block diagram. When you will right click on the block diagram, and you will get a function palette. In this function palette, you will get this string function palette. In this string function palette, there is some functions: string length functions, concatenate string function, string subset functions, or replace string functions, or replace and search, mesh pattern, a regular expression, scan from string, format into string, read spreadsheet array, write spreads, okay, array to spreadsheet, uppercase and lowercase. And these are the string constant, and these are additional string related conversion points. So here in this lecture we will only use a basic program. So first, the string length. So for that, take a string control, take a string indicator. Now here I am going to write something I have written inside, and I don't know how many characters are available, on my length. Suppose it is a small string, so I can count each and every characters. If I will write only string here, suppose if I will write only string, so I can count how many characters are present or available on the string. But if my if my message informations size is long, so at that time manually counting is not possible. So for that, we can use string length function. Take the string length function, make a connection like this, open the label, and after that create indicator. Now it will give you the information about the string length. Sorry, string length means number of characters. So in this string, 248 characters are available. Now if I will press one enter, so you will see this 285 characters are available. Earlier it is 284, now it is 285. If I will enter one point here, so it will increase one more characters. After that, if I will enter, so it will increase one more, space, enter one more. Then after that, here I am going to write regar disregards. So using the string control and indicator, we can easily, using the string length, we can easily count how many characters are available on our string. Later I will explain where and how we will use it. Let's press Ctrl H and click the string length. You will get this info. String length returns in a length the number for characters. Now there is one concatenate functions present. Concatenate functions. Take the concatenate functions, open the label. Concatenate function will add your two string number 1 and string number 2. Concatenate function will add your two string and it will make a single string. Concatenate concatenate string function will add your different strings and it will make a one string. Suppose here I am going to write NITES at Nitesh, PRADHAN Pradhan. So it will write my name Nitesh Pradhan. After that, if I will press one space, so it will write Nitesh Pradhan. Here we can increase the string length, concatenate string size like this. We can connect the concatenate string. We can take one more concatenate string here, and here I can write Nitesh Pradhan along with the space LABVIEW LabVIEW. It will follow the hierarchy. The first one will appear first, then second, then third. It will work top to bottom. Now there is a string subset functions. Using this string subset function, you can it is string subset function. So here I am going to write some informations, okay, about the lab string data type. Suppose LabVIEW manager data type. Here I am going to write. I don't know how many characters are available, so I can count the number of characters. So there is an output indicator. It will give me my output. So now there is an offset create control. I don't know what it will work and I don't know also. So I will create a control for both, create control. Now suppose the length and offset both are 0. Look at here, the length and offset both are 0. That's why I am not getting any output. Look at here, I am not getting any characters here because the length is 0. Now you can see here, I am going to increase the length. So now offset is 0 and length is 1. That means this string subset making a small set of string from my input string. This one, the first one, this is my main parent string, input string. So we can give the name input string. This string subset will take the data from this input string and it will create a small subset from that input string. And to create that small subset, we need offset and length. Offset will inform our string subset function from where the subset will start, and length will and length will give the information how many characters we need to take. Length 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. If my offset here, my offset is 0 and length is 7, that's why I am able to read lab view. If I will give the length increase, so space and one more manager. Suppose here if I will give the length 8, sorry, offset 8. Suppose my offset is 8, so it is starting my location from the M. Offset is 8, so 8th location, the 8th, in the 8th location M is present. Now there is one function that is match patterns. Input string here I am connecting, and one string I need one more string where I will write my expression which I want to compare. I am going to explain everything. I will explain each and everything. Now there is one function before substring, match substring, okay, after substring. Here I want to search the data. I want to search the data I had mentioned here. I want to search the data from this string where the data is available, where the data has written. Okay, I want to set where the data is written, and before the data what I have written here, and after the data what I have written here. So I want to search the data from this string. I want to search the data from this string. So whatever I want to search, that I will write in the regular string, and in the string, input string is our master database. So here I am going to search. So run the program. When I will run, so now you can see the match, what has been matched. Match is the data. After the data type is present, and before the data lab view manager is present, and the location from where the data is starting, that location is 20. This location is 20. This location is 20. Now let's go to the another example. There is a uppercase functions. It will convert your all lowercase to the uppercase. Let's see how it will work. There is one lowercase. It will convert your all uppercase into the lowercase. Here in the additional string functions, there is one reverse string. Reverse string. If you take this reverse string and you will connect it, so it will reverse your all the string. LabVIEW is starting from this way. Now, if you want to, from where we can use this space constant. Let's see. I think you have remembered our that previous example about the concatenating string. Concatenate. So here I am taking the create control first name. First name. After the first name, I don't want to apply space from my side. I want a space function who will apply the space. Last name. Last name. It's string concatenate. Create indicator. So now, if I will write my name Nitesh and Pradhan, so it will apply one space automatically. Nitesh Nitesh Prathan Pradhan. So you can use this constant as per your own requirement. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss more functionality and more logic about the string. So thank you if you like this video, and if you have any any concept and you have any questions, so please drop your comment on the comment section.